puedas ver que salimos del suelo y abrimos el mirar al fuego en nuestra mano.
Hi guys, today our plan is to go to Shymbulak Ski Resort and Koktobe cable car. Shymbulak Ski Resort, it's 40 minutes drive from Almaty from our hotel. Hi guys, right now I am in front of Shymbulak Ski Resort. You can have stunning views when you come here. See in the background snow-capped mountains, that is Ili Altau mountains. It is a mountains in Almaty. So beautiful it is. This is a 360-degree view of the ski resort, surrounding mountains and the resort. You have a cable car ride here. This is a view of the Shymbulak Ski Resort. You have restaurants here. You can have something for your breakfast or in between. We will take the cable car ride here. Cable car ride, it consists of 3 steps, like base station to phase 1, phase 2, then phase 3. From base station to phase 1 is closed cable car, that is gondola, and phase 1 to 2 is open or closed, both you can take, either of the two, and phase 3 only closed cable car is there. Phase 1 station is about 7,500 feet, phase 2 is about 9,200, and phase 3 is about 10,500 feet. This is a ticket counter for Shymbulak cable car ride. Kaka, it's in Kazakh language, it is the tickets, and you have the price list here. You have to pay in tenge or you can pay in a MasterCard. You can choose the combo ticket, that is to and fro ticket. It costs approximately 10,000 tenge, that is 2,000 Indian rupees. The list here in Kazakh, and this is in English. This for skiing pass also is there. If you want to do skiing, you can take that pass, that tariff you can choose. People with the skiing board are also there here. Tickets are given from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Now we are entering the Shymbulak Ski Resort. We're going for a cable car ride now. The base station, you have closed cable cars here. You can see. I will enter the cable car. This is the base station. So we are going in cable car now to phase 1.
This is the longest cable car, 20 minutes.
First one.
The first was the longest one. Second cable car will be the 7 minutes. And the last cable car 6 minutes.
Okay.
And between the first and second level, there has an open cable car.
Okay.
It's also included. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes because open cable car goes very slowly. Yes, and you will have a headwind. It will be a little bit cold. But if you want, you can try. Right now, yours is very
Otherwise, it
good.
will be same. This one, like this one.
Yes, others like same. This cabin type. Yes, that one would be the good experience for you.
background what you are seeing is Medeu skating ring. It is the largest and highest skating ring. Right now it is closed for 3 years for construction. It will be ready for Asian Games by 2027.
Kazakh people are fond of Indian movies. They know old age actors like Mithun Chakravarti as well as new generation actors like Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar.
And this is a dam. That one is a dam. Okay. That dam protecting us from the mud flow.
Okay.
Mud flow.
Mud.
Yeah.
Is a dam here. Villas here, it will cost $2,000 per night. We are getting down here from the cable car. We have come to phase 1 station now. This is a cable car is coming here. This weather is so cool here, pleasant weather. Wow, so beautiful it is. See here, whole snow-capped mountains. Stunning views of Ili Alto mountains. Now we are at the phase 1 station of Shymbulak cable car ride. A lot of restaurants here. You can have something and proceed to the next station, or you can directly proceed to next station. From phase 1 to 2 we have both closed and open cable car ride.
This altitude is the 1,800 meters above the sea level. Okay. It's the first level. Okay. Here has a restaurant. If you want to have a lunch, you can have a lunch here. There has a Turkish restaurant, French cuisine, Dudley's a local cuisine, Assorti is a barbecue zone, okay, Gusto Italian cuisine. If you want, you can try the lunch here. Okay. Yes. Right now, there has two options. Second station. Okay, second station is 2,800 meters above the sea level. Okay, there has two ways. First way is a closed cable car on this side, and second is an open cable car that side. Okay. Oh, that is open cable. I don't know. It's open cable car from that side. Please, if you select the open cable car, you should little bit walk to the left side to the third cable car. Okay. At the third cable car station, third cable car, only the closed. So the open chair one, like this, look, this is a mixed one. Open and closed. Okay, this is the open cable car only for the riders, not for you.
See the chairs here, all the chairs are kept with woolen jackets, so you should not feel cold. Now we are moving from phase 1 station. This is open cable car. In this main disadvantage is you should immediately sit. It doesn't have give you much time to enter, whereas closed gondola gives you time. This doesn't give you much time. Immediately you have to sit and go. Guys, right now we are going in open cable from phase 1 to phase 2. It seems to be amazing ride. Usually in closed car it will take some 6 to 7 minutes, but in this open car it is very slow and it takes 30 to 40 minutes, and it's a very enjoyable ride. When you come to Shymbulak, surely you should experience this open car cable ride. See, you can see everything not under the glass but through your open eyes. It's amazing here. But main disadvantage of this one is you should not have fears of heights, and you have very less time to sit and lock yourself. Here lots of cable cars will be continuously moving. You can see here. See, we are moving upstairs now to phase 2. You can see the cable car coming behind us, and the phase 1 station there, the restaurants, everything, and mountains everywhere. Now we are almost reaching to phase 2 station. We'll be getting down here and moving to phase 3. So you have to be very careful while getting down. Immediately you have to jump. Before you have to open it and jump and come to the left. Right.
Cool.
Medical aid here, a photo video studio here, urinals here, and a photographic scenic point here.
It's only snow everywhere.
You can watch people skiing here. If you know skiing, you can do that. You can hire it and do the skiing. It's amazing. You can see a small kid skiing here. This is a phase 2 station. From here to you have to go to a phase 3 station. It's a closed gondola ride.
Here you have photographers with drones. If you wish, you can get clicked in drones. I have provided the link for our drone shot and reel at the top right hand corner.
Here you have one restaurant. See how it is made up of totally of wood. You can have something here. You have a souvenir shop, Shymbulak souvenir shop, photo video, and it's some mountain fast food Teplo restaurant. There's a view from phase 2 station. Hi, now we are at the phase 3 station. We have come in close to gondola ride.
Now we have returned back to phase 1 station. It's about 2 p.m. and we are very hungry. We'll have lunch at this Assorti Restaurant. This restaurant offers diverse variety of menu: Italian, Japanese, local Kazakh and European dishes. After your lunch, you can relax here, stroll here, and wear Kazakh dresses and get photographed with the Falcon bird. After having fun at Shymbulak Ski Resort, we are now moving to Koktobe. Koktobe is one of the main landmarks of the city. It is at the top of the hill, having amusement park, restaurants, cable car showing us a panoramic view of the city, and faster coaster rides.
Right now I am at Koktobe. We'll have a cable car ride from here and have a panoramic views of the city. We have a shop here, Almaty street food, can see the Almaty street food in this. There's a ticket counter. You have to take tickets from here.
We are going in cable car right now. We are going to the top of the hill, that is Koktobe. We can get to see beautiful panoramic views of the Almaty city and as well as watch the sunset.
We have come from down to the uphill. This is Koktobe. We have one giant wheel here, roller coaster, and nice mountain view with nice. We have snow-capped mountain, and people are relaxing here. People come in the evenings to relax here. We have fast coaster here. That kids it is 4,000 tenge and for adults 7,000 tenge. Queue for fast coaster. From here, fast coaster will ride. It will go down the route.
You can go as single or in pairs. Here you can see people coming up from the ride.
From here, you have panoramic view of the Almaty city. Down, our lights are lit. This is the fast coaster route. You have telescope here. You have to pay for that. 2 minutes 500 tenge and 4 minutes 1000 tenge.
Here you have a lot of games for the kids to play.